Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30195. And this is the Ferrari FXX from the Racers series. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because the plan is to do one of these videos a day, each day, for the foreseeable future. And I've also done one of these a day each day for probably close to the last 6 months. So if you enjoy this kind of video, there's a bunch of them out there, and there's also plenty more on the way. So now, if you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find the set on Amazon and on Bricklink, and also the brick set description in case you're interested in just information about the set itself. Now, one thing I do want to point out is, and this has come up a lot with these little Racers sets, is I am not a fan of stickers, and I don't sticker my Legos, but we can at least take a look at the stickers that we're not going to use. So this one does have some stickers, and the stickers are these. So they're just kind of like little effects, and there's a big hood. I'm thinking that at least most of these stickers have to do with like I cannot talk today. The proprietary IP of other people that aren't Lego, because like the other ones have had like the Porsche symbols and that kind of thing, or I guess it's the Ferrari symbol. I was thinking it's a Porsche symbol. Anyway, that symbol are on the stickers, I guess, so because they don't want to. Maybe they don't want to have like the printing patterns, the printing things that they don't have the IP for. I don't know. There's no telling. That's just a guess. If you have any idea, let me know in the comments, though. I'm curious about that. Alright. So we start with the little motor piece, like normal. And I guess it's there. And then, like so. And then that. And where is the... here it is. There's in there somewhere. The little axle piece. Alright, so that gets us to there. And now for these, we need... You know, this particular set is the reason I've never done that. I've never had the desire to get one of those giant Star Destroyer sets, because I really do feel like it would be almost exactly like putting together a jigsaw puzzle where all the pieces are gray. And this is one of those things where like all the pieces, well, the vast majority of the pieces over there are black, and it's, I mean, I can't imagine doing it with like thousands of pieces and it's like they're all gray. But anyway, so this gets us to here. Gets us to right here. And then we have an inexplicable blue piece, just for the heck of it. Right there. And this. Right there. Get rid of that. And then we got the wheel well for that. Wonder why these pieces are here. Wonder what they're supposed to represent. The little red pieces. I don't think they're supposed to be people. I guess it's there. And then we get to make use of this super giant big piece right here. Like so. And it takes care of that. And then we pop on these little wheel wells. One there. And one there. So that takes care of that. And then a second wing thing? Really? Huh. Alright, fair enough, I guess. Second wing thing. And then two of these. Like so. Takes care of that. And that. And we skip the stickers. And then two more of these. So these go on the top like this. And like this. And then two more of these. Okay, I'm curious what these little red things are supposed to represent. I mean, maybe they are supposed to be... They can't be people. I don't know. That is kind of a mystery for me. Alright. So... that goes there. And this goes here. And we line them up so they're even. Like so. And then we have two black cheese wedges facing inward. One there. And one here. So we got that taken care of. So we got that. We got that. And then we pop on these two. Like that. And this goes over the top like that. I gotta tell you, this is kind of giving me a Batmobile vibe to it. I mean, it doesn't have the stickers, which would help probably, but I'm feeling the Batmobile vibe, I gotta tell you. Alright, so next what we gotta do is we gotta put on the back piece. And so, for this, we're gonna have two brake lights. Like so. We got two brake lights like that. And then we have, alright, we have two brake lights like that. Then we have two of these pieces. One there, and one there. And then two clips. Right there. And right here. Wow, I'm having trouble holding on to this one clip. Clip and clip. And then lastly, we have two little cheese slopes. Right here. There's one and two. This is probably the most elaborate bumper we've gotten so far. So that's the bumper. And then so that goes here, like so. That's the bumper. And then lastly, we have this. So for this one, it's going to be cheese slope. Straighten it out so it's even. And the cheese slope. And I missed a piece, I bet. Cheese slope, and this. Like so. And then this attaches right there. Like that. The problem I have is this. This shouldn't be an extra piece. Where did I miss? That went down, that went down, that went down, that went down. Is it an extra piece? That's weird. Huh. If y'all see in the... Let me know in the comments if you see where I missed putting that on. Alright, so... we just pop the wheels on this thing. And... it's good to go. It's kind of a cool looking car, though. And it really does, like, without the stickers, it does have a Batmobile vibe to it, doesn't it? Alright, these are the extra pieces. And apparently, I don't know where this piece goes. But if y'all see it, let me know. Alright. So, this is one of those ones that you pull back. And it goes. That's neat. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know down in the comments. And also, the mystery of what if this piece is extra or not. Because I'm really curious about that. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.